Hey, this is AJ and welcome back to the Handyman process. This is another video, just kind of the job of the week of what I've been working on recently. I've been pretty busy. Family's been out of town, so I've been working various projects while they were overseas for a few weeks. So this is a quick overview of one of my favorite projects, which is installing kitchen cabinet hardware. When I first started out doing this kind of work, I was doing it manually with a tape measure, and it was taking me forever, and I was underpriced. It was bad all around. But it's one of those things that you do as a handyman as you learn. So I learned about this true position jig that you can see in the video that I'll be showing here. So with this jig, I'm able to kind of set up a bunch of different cabinets, whether it's a pole or a handle. I set the jig up once and then set it on the corner or on the top of the cabinet, and then just kind of go through with the drill. It's got a guide hole for the drill bit. It comes with the drill bit. It's got stops. It's got pretty much everything you need to put the hardware in. You just need to make sure you're putting the right things in the right places. But I consider this to be a moneymaker. This particular job I had estimated out at $295. And the way that I do my estimating for these jobs is I get a count of the knobs and the handles that the customer may have for the different cabinets. Get a sense of, is there any ladder time involved or anything weird or complicated. Then I generally estimate off of that. And I'm anywhere between $5 to $8 per piece of hardware. It really depends. If it's a one-time customer, it's usually $8. If it's an add-on project to somebody I'm working for, then I may go down to $5. It really depends on a few different factors, but that's my range for estimating that. So for this particular thing, it estimated out at $295. So I showed up, I did the work. The video you see is I try to take footage of all my jobs so I can post it to social media when I'm done. So this is just a kind of a snapshot of what that video was. This went up on my social media as soon as I was done with the job, and then hopefully it leads to other jobs. So when the job was all said and done, as usual, I used Mark8. I sent out the invoice. In this case, I gave the customer a little bit of a discount because with that jig, what takes time is if there's different, usually they're drawers. If there's a bunch of different drawers, you have to make adjustments to the jig itself. But in this case, almost all the drawers were the same size, so I was able to get through them like super quick, so it was no big deal. So I gave a little bit of a discount. I think I ended up charging $250. I was there about 2 hours and 10 minutes, so not a bad deal overall. So I highly recommend if you're looking for indoor work and something that it's kind of precise, you can take your time, you can make decent money. I definitely recommend putting on kitchen cabinet hardware. There's a lot of houses that don't have this, and there's a lot of houses that want to have it. So anyway, hope that helps. If you like this video and you want to see more, please go ahead and hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and stand by for the next one. Thank you.